Yo, what's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy coming to you with another video. This is more of a update video on the small stuff I've been doing to get the turbo flanges, the turbo, getting ready to mount it to the starlet, to the 4FE. And yeah, I'm just basically gonna show you guys what's already been done, already be pre-done. And yeah, so basically yesterday I finally got the two flanges that me and my friend cut up, got it welded, got a mock up. Had to do some modifications, had to, test fit it about 3 to 4 times. Had to, further grinding it down, flattening it, getting it flat as possible. So, yeah, but I'm gonna show you guys right now, so you guys can get a better understanding of what I mean. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. So yeah, guys, this is the flange. This part was cut from another exhaust turbine, and this is from the CT9, and this is from another turbo that he had that didn't function or take a crap or didn't. Yeah, this weld has been done by me. Yeah, I'm a little out of practice, but for somebody that's been a little out of practice, it was good. So yeah, the flange is gonna sit like this, since this turbo, the exhaust housing was hitting the compressor housing. So the best way to remedy that problem was to angle the flange, like this, angle it like that, so it can clear the compressor housing, not compressor housing, the AC compressor. So it's gonna sit like this. So yeah, see guys, how it's, the flange is forward, but it sits, like this. I think, yeah, it sits like that. It's this. See, it sits like that. So it's not straight. It's tilted outward. See, it's a little angled. Don't know. See, the turbo. It's not. This is straight, but this is, see, it's angled. So yeah. So yeah. So that's it. Oh yeah, I got some kind of, this is for the feed. I think for the return I'm gonna use the one from the CT9. But the CT9 has the drain and feed at the same time, so I'm probably gonna either block off the feed and only use I don't have the feed right now. I forgot I left it in the Civic. So yeah. Oh yeah, and since the turbo is angled like that, there's gonna be some modifications to the downpipe. So it's, yeah, gotta flatten this whole out, this whole surface out, and mock up a new, yeah. For you guys, if some of you don't know what turbo is, it is a TD04, but it's from the smaller version of the TD04. It's not from a Subaru. It's from a, I don't know. I think it's from a Mitsubishi. Don't know the name, the code and stuff. Okay, let me show you guys what's going on beneath the hood. So yeah, here's what things are going on. The intercooler is already marked up where it's gonna sit. I might ground this somewhere either here or here. I'm gonna use the stock blower valve. Yeah, don't worry, it's gonna get clamped both here. This pipe is gonna get modified. Either it's gonna get cut. It's gonna get cut right here, and while the pipe there, so it can just plumb up to the turbo, to the hose, clamp it up. I already got a hose for this. It's gonna go here. We're gonna tee it. This is for the breather. Probably gonna get a hose, either long enough to snake it there, but probably I'm just gonna just either put a hose there and just put a like a catch can somewhere, because this usually goes to the breather. That's usually in the middle here for the valve cover of the what is it, 4FTE. I have a 4FE. Yeah, like I said, the injectors are in, map sensor are in, fuel pressure regulator in. This is gonna go. Don't need it, or I might just keep it. It sucks in, air, cold air there. Maybe it's gonna. I don't know. I might. Oh yeah, I'm going full sleeper, baby. Yeah. So yeah, the turbo is gonna sit right here, and the exhaust shoots sideways here. So basically, it's gonna be like a nine, like a small pipe go out, then probably a bend down there, connect to the pipe there, and then go all straight back to the back. I'm going with the sleeper route, because don't want no people knowing that it's turbo until it's too late. Because I kind of like and embrace the sleeper vibe. So yeah, I'll probably fix it later. Yeah, I'll probably. This intercooler is black. To go ahead with the sleeper look of this car, I might spray this black too. Spray that black too. Yeah, I might get a new fuel pressure regulator. Depends. I might also get a Walbro 255. I might find a way to either get some kind of a ECU put on this, so I can just tune it. Oh yeah, I might. Yeah, I also plan on respraying the strut brace. I was looking for a rerun. A friend had it, but the friend was being such a little baby about it. No, I don't want. No, I don't want to get rid of it. Blah 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 blah. Yada yada yada. So I said, you know what, man, keep it. I don't want it. Yeah, man, I gotta respray the valve cover. Give me a good chance to change the those valve cover seals. These seals. Oh yeah, and also no leaks, no nothing since changed the time belt seals and stuff here. So that's good. Also, after the turbo done, I'm gonna come back and take out the oil pan and reseal it. So yeah, basically, and also, man, this also came from the heat that the previous manifold I had, also wastegate. I'm thinking about dipping. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. Thinking about dipping the hood, the roof, or also from the heat. Yeah, I resprayed the bumper. It looks way better. Yeah, guys, that's the small update or update on what's going on. This is update. This is a update video on the things going to happen to the starlet, or because the next thing I'm gonna do is gonna modified this manifold too, because this manifold has the wastegate on it. So it's gonna do the same thing. Got this flange and well the different flange on it. Yeah. But this is gonna do for this video, guys. Probably the next video is gonna be I'm gonna try what I'm gonna do. Either probably I'm gonna try dipping again. I tried it once for the Alteza just to see how it is. The thing with plastic dip, you gotta lay a big thick lick. So, and the hood of the Alteza was bigger than this starlet. So basically, maybe next video I'm probably gonna do it to see. Hey, probably, but yeah, but so yeah, I'm gonna leave this video here. I'm gonna see you guys in the if you guys are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, share this video, or share the video, tell your friends, when you guys like put a hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. It helps me very well, and I appreciate all my followers till now, and also my new followers, and also my future followers. So yeah, I'm doing this because I love working on cars, learning about cars, and also it's a hobby, and also showing you guys, making videos to show you guys. So yeah, but anyway, I'm gonna leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed, hit the like button, share, and leave a comment. I'm gonna see you guys in the next one.
Asi nombri tata anto sali casa. Soy un anta grandi anto tinko llega na.